Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Ice Scratchers is probably one of the most important accessories for your Polaris snowmobile, especially when you're riding on hard-packed trails or icy conditions. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect ice scratchers for your machine, ensuring optimal performance and a safer, more enjoyable ride, covering factors such as material, length, mounting style, and overall durability, helping you make an informed decision based on your riding style and preferences. Number 5. SPI Spring Style Ski-Doo Scratchers. These innovative ice scratchers are designed for your ski-doo. They offer superior performance and durability. Installation is simple and straightforward. They're designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. It features a unique design that allows for reverse operation without causing damage. This is a huge advantage for riders. These scratchers include convenient brackets for secure storage when not in use, keeping them safe and organized. It's a direct replacement for OEM part number 860201728, ensuring a perfect fit and hassle-free installation. Experience improved traction and control on icy surfaces. Enjoy a smoother, safer ride. What we like. This ice scratcher allows for reverse operation without causing damage, and includes convenient brackets for storage when not in use. Its durable design ensures longevity. If you value ease of use and protection for your machine, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Another great product we use on our Polaris snowmobiles. They are very durable, made over 1,300 miles before we change them up for a new set. Easy installation. Works perfect. Best scratcher design out there. Utilized these on my Polaris Switchback 650 and 850. Works in reverse. Very effective at keeping temps down. These ice scratchers are very good and help cool and lubricate the rail sliders on the snowmobile. It helps from them wearing out too fast. They are easy to install. I would recommend this product. Number 4. Snowmobile Ice Scratchers Kit. Traditional cooling systems struggle in extreme cold. These ice scratchers help by introducing snow and ice, keeping your engine at the right temperature. It fits all snowmobiles, regardless of whether they have reverse gear. Installation is a breeze with a simple 1-bolt design. They're built with a strong, flexible cable that can handle tough conditions. It won't break easily, even with extended use. Installation is simple and flexible. Position them near your tracks for optimal snow contact without hindering performance. Made from incredibly durable zinc-plated wire rope, they're designed to withstand the harshest conditions. No more cracking or peeling. When not in use, simply hook them up and keep them secure on your track, ready for your next adventure. What we like. These scratchers offer superior cooling performance, especially in extreme cold. They fit a wide range of snowmobiles and feature a high-strength cable design. If you need reliable cooling and a universal fit, this option is ideal for your snowmobile adventures. What people say. Worked better and lasted longer than the big brands. Will fit perfectly. Number 3. Snowmobile Ice Scratcher Kit. Clearing ice from your snowmobile can be tough. This kit makes it easy, even at speed. It's designed to break through stubborn ice and snow, saving you time and effort. It features a unique design that prevents it from slipping or falling off, ensuring reliable performance. Made from durable, high-quality steel, it can withstand significant pressure and impacts. With its cable-like design, it's easy to install, adjust the angle, and store when not in use. Each kit includes one ice scratcher. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. What we like. This ice scratcher excels at breaking stubborn ice, thanks to its effective design. The secure mounting system prevents it from falling off, and the high-quality steel ensures durability. If you need a reliable and robust solution for clearing ice, this is a great option for you. Number 2. RSI Racing SS1 Scratchers. Say goodbye to dangerous snow and ice buildup. These innovative scratchers provide superior traction and control, keeping you safe on the trails. Built with high-strength materials, they're designed to withstand the harshest conditions. Expect long-lasting performance, season after season. Installation is a breeze. They're designed for a quick and straightforward setup, getting you back on the trail faster. Experience enhanced traction and control on snow and ice. They help maintain stability, giving you confidence in challenging terrain. Increase your safety on snowy and icy trails. They reduce the risk of accidents by providing better grip and stability. With its rugged design and superior performance, it's the ultimate solution for safe and reliable winter riding. Get yours today. What we like. This product's key features are not specified, so I cannot provide a promotion. More information is needed to assess its benefits. What people say. Added this to my snow bike rail. They throw ice and snow all over, keeping it nice and smooth running. Excellent product. Work great, good value. 2018 Polaris Axis RMK 155. Easy to install and they work as designed. Number 1. Ice Storm Reversible Scratchers. Get ready for superior snow removal with these innovative ski-mounted scratchers. Their reversible design ensures long-lasting performance. These aren't your average scratchers. They provide double the spray coverage of traditional models, clearing a wider path with each pass. With a simple flip, you can extend the life of your scratchers. This reversible design means you get twice the use for your money. Experience efficient and effective snow removal. It effortlessly clears away snow and ice, leaving you with a smooth, clean surface. These scratchers are designed for easy installation on your skis. Get them mounted and ready to go in minutes. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, it provides reliable performance season after season. Enjoy worry-free snow removal. Not only are they highly effective, but they also boast a vibrant red color that will turn heads on the slopes. Make a statement while you conquer the snow. What we like. This ice scratcher provides twice the spray of traditional models, offering superior ice clearing capabilities. Its ski-mounted design is convenient and the red color adds a stylish touch. If you prioritize efficient ice clearing and want a visually appealing product, this is a great choice. What people say. Well built, easy to install, like the replaceable tips. Mounted easy and good quality. They throw a great deal of ice snow directly into the tunnel track for full coverage. Highly recommended to keep your track slides lubed and temps down if your sled is running hot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.